Hey guys, we're still roaming around here at Win the Storm, roofing conference down here in Dallas, and we're at a booth, exhibitor booth with Limitless, and the roofing guys, we're members of Limitless, and I'm with Casson, and he helped me set up our account at the last conference we got here, and so I'm going to let Casson tell us a little bit about Limitless and how it helps roofing companies better serve our customers. So Casson, thank you for this time.
Hey, thank you, Daniel,
right.
for the opportunity to do so. With Limitless, it's really cool because as a roofing company, you can save money, right? But that's not really what we want to develop into. It actually goes a little bit further because that means you can pass those savings down to the homeowner, your customer, who is really at the very epitome of this whole equation, right? You get to provide them with a whole higher level of service while maintaining partnerships and discounts with over 35 companies. So it's really cool. It kind of helps you put roofing companies on par with the other companies, maybe do a little bit bigger, offering those larger discounts, which you get to pass on to your homeowners at the end of the day, which is going to make them a little bit more appreciative, a little bit more willing to give you referrals and such like that, right?
Right.
And then it just all comes back full circle. So it is no cost for us, helps your homeowners get better quality service, less expensive materials on their end.
Good quality service, products.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how long have you been with Limitless?
So I've been with Limitless since about August of last year. We're going on our 3rd year in business, and we ideally want to go on 5-10 more years, couple thousand people at least.
What do you like best about being with Limitless?
Honestly, I love helping people and seeing smiles on not just customers' faces, but your all's faces. Yeah. There's a lot of negative connotations about the roofing industry, right? And we want to remove all that. Yeah. I got our founders, Dylan McCabe and Miller Whedon, are both men of faith. They actually got me saved, and the whole aspect of that and just the trust and virtue just rolling down to like the roofing guys and companies down to your homeowners. Right. We try and make a difference, and I really feel like we are.
Awesome. So hey, so here's the thing: the roofing guys are fairly small business, but so we don't have the buying power. But Limitless allows us, as a member of them, to get larger companies can get lower prices on materials. So it allows us to do that. So we're able to. We're very competitive on price with the largest companies, and still giving you the best quality service and the best quality materials. And so, tell me what you think about this. Tell me anything good, bad, or whatever. What do you think about service that roofing companies are giving, or what do you think about the qualities of roofing materials? Anything you got in mind, and just post it in the comments below. I'll send you a response. We'll see what happens. And I want to say thank you, Casson.
Hey, thank you, Daniel.
And this guy's energy is always the same. Every time I talk to him, man.
You gotta be
He's
on point.
always on top of it. So
thank you, Daniel.
Yep.
Thank you, roofing guys.
Yep.